we're going back in the league. I think a few seasons ago, Airbus were in the league and they were above the means really. I think this time we're going to come back a lot more structured. Academy players will be involved, so it's about next season staying in and developing each season. It's been a fantastic season. Hopefully we, finish today on a high as well. We want to win the cup. It's going to be a tough game, but it's great to be back in the Welsh Prem.
Curo Hotspur Caergybi oedd y dasg ar y morfa yng Nghonwy, ac fe roddodd James Hooper y dechrau perffaith i fechgyn Brychtyn wedi 4 munud yn unig gyda gôl unigol wych. Ond fe darodd Hotspur yn ôl 10 munud mewn i'r ail hanner, yr hen Ben Chris Jones yn rhwydo i'r Wanwisiaid. Gyda Ebus wedi hen ennill y gyngrair y Hotspur reit ar y gwylod, doedd hi ddim yn syndod pan roddodd Hooper Ebus yn ôl ar y blaen. Nawr dim ond dwywaith mae Ebus di colli yn y gyngrair y tymor hwn, ac roedd hi'n dair pan rwydodd Asa Hamilton hanner ffordd drwy'r ail hanner. A 2 funud yn ddiweddarach oedd ysgrifen ar y mur i Hotspur pan welodd Carl Jones y cerdyn coch am drosedd ar Lewis Buckley. Ryan Edwards sy'n dal y record am chwarae'r nifer fwyaf o gemau i Ebus yn yr uwch gyngrair, ac roedd y safon hynny i'w weld gyda'r bedwaredd. Cyn i Harvey Ellis sgorio gyda'i gyffyrddiad cynta i wneud 5-1. Ebus felly yn ennill y dwbl, y gyngrair a Chwpan Hughes Grey 2019.
I think the club, all the players, staff, everybody's been fantastic this season. For Marsh, I thought we deserved it. I think from start to finish, I think we've really done well, and fair play to the lads. We've produced the goods on the day.
Gêm galad. Ni'n drio'n gorau, nath ni adal bob dim ar y cae, just canlyniad yn mynd yn erbyn ni.
We've got to improve, I think on and off the field, and a lot of things we've got to do better, but the club's going in the right direction at the moment.